Hello, my name is Dr. Bobbitt, and I'm either going to be your student's Algebra 2 teacher or your student's statistics teacher. It doesn't matter. The procedure is going to be the same. What I want to do is talk about how your student can do some makeup work if they have to do that, maybe for credit recovery for one of the earlier grading periods, or if they really need to catch up on some work even for this grading period. What I want to do is go over how to use this Canvas page in order to make that as speedy as possible. Alright, so the first thing I want to talk about is how you can just go click on grades right now. This is a new feature that I've made available. I should have had this available the whole time. But if you click on grades, alright, right now I'm logged in as the test student. So every teacher who has a Canvas page, they can see what the Canvas page looks like from the eyes of a student, and this is the student that we get to look through Canvas as. So I'm pretending to be a student right now. Alright, and so if I wanted to do grade redemption for the first 6 weeks and I want to find those assignments really quickly, what I could do is on grading period, I could just say I want to look at the first 6 weeks. Definitely make sure that you're arranging by assignment group. Alright, I'm going to move my face out of the way here. Alright, and then you just click apply. Alright, and it'll show you which assignments have not been done. Alright, so from the first 6 weeks, as my test student, I haven't done any of them. So it shows that I have no score. Alright, this practice assignment is scored out of 6, but I have done nothing. So that's why it says missing. But you'll also know if you failed an assignment, like if I were to have gotten 1 out of 6, then I would have known that I had failed this assignment and that I needed to make it up. Now, you can also see this assignment in self-serve. Alright, in self-serve it'll just be written as practice 2-1, so it's pretty much going to be the exact same assignment name in self-serve. Alright, so this is clearly this would be an assignment that I have to do, and so there's two things I can do. One is I just click on this. Alright, and then what I'm going to want to do is then click on this link right up here. So when I do that, it'll give me the, it has the due date, and it'll give me the instructions. And so at that point, I can take the quiz. All right, so here this would be the first question. I try and answer that and put that in. Now, if you want to see the notes that go with a quiz, we can easily look that up. So it says practice 2.1. So that means that it's going to be in the lesson 2.1 module. And to find that really easily, just click on home. And then I have this link right here that says prior modules. And I needed to make up that practice assignment 2.1, so I'm just going to look for lesson 2.1, and here it is. So if I click on that, it's going to take me directly to the module that I need to work on. Alright, so here's that module. There's that same assignment. Now, there's two things that I want to point out here. The first one is that so far in this semester, what I've done is I've made it so that students had to go through all of these parts of the modules before they can go to this assignment. I have disabled that feature so a student can go straight to an assignment and do that assignment now. Alright, I'm trying to just take as many roadblocks out of the way as I can. But if the student doesn't know the information that they need for doing well on this assignment, then what they can do is they can just click on Notes. And then on this page there will be a video giving them all the information that they need to do well on that assignment. Okay, so that's all that I wanted to point out. hopefully this will help. I do want to say that with this work kind of being set up this way, really just a dedicated weekend, maybe even a dedicated day, and your student can really do everything that they need for a given grading period. All right. They just go to grades to see what things that they need to make up. Their self-serve will also tell them what they need to make up. So if I need to make up 7-1, then I can just go to Home, click on Prior Modules. Well, actually, Lesson 7-1 is going to be right here. But if it were any other module, then we could just go to Prior Modules. All right, we'd be able to easily find it here, and then that'll we'll be able to then just do the assignment there, and the notes that we need that gives the information that you need will be there too, so that you'll have all the information that you need in order to do that assignment. All right, so please do let me know if you have any questions. I hope that this video has been helpful, and that your student is able to get back on track and we can finish this year strong.